Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the ChroPath extension. ChroPath is a powerful browser extension that helps testers to generate, inspect, and validate Xpath and CSS Selector. It is a great tool for those working with Selenium or any other automation framework as it simplifies the process of locating the elements on a web page. On the previous tutorial, I have explained about the finding broken links in a web page and print the total number of links count in a console. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search here Chrome Web Store. Click on this Chrome Web Store and search here ChroPath and then click on this link. Here you can view ChroPath help to generate and validate selector like related Xpath with iframes. Click on this and add to Chrome. Click on add extension. After clicking on add extension, this extension will be added in to this browser. Same, you can add this extension into Firefox browser. So after adding this extension, you need to restart the Chrome browser. Let's again open Chrome browser. Now I will show you how you can find this CSS selector and Xpath by using this extension. First, navigate to this URL, which is login page URL. Copy this URL and then find the CSS selector and Xpath for this username and password field. You can easily find the locator of this username and password by using this extension. Right click on this inspect and then click on this. Here you can view the ChroPath option. Now scroll up and here you can view the relative Xpath, CSS selector, absolute Xpath and tag name. Simply just you need to click on this and relative Xpath has been copied. Now you can easily find the element by using Xpath. Here I use the ID, so remove this ID and use by dot Xpath and enter the Xpath value here. Close. Same, you can locate this element password by using ChroPath. Just copy this. This is CSS selector. Change value here by ID to CSS selector by dot CSS selector. Enter the CSS selector value and paste here. By using this ChroPath, you not only save time but also improve accuracy when creating automated test script. ChroPath simplifies Xpath and CSS selector generation, making it easier to locate web elements quickly. It also provides auto suggestions, improving accuracy and saving time in debugging. For more helpful tutorials, please subscribe to SK World and stay updated with the latest content.